Hello students, myself Gamanek H, Department of Economics. Welcome you all for video lecture on Indian economics. In previous video lecture, I was explained you about the size and growth of Indian population and also the various causes for rapid growth of population in India. In today's video lecture, I am going to explain you about another important demographic feature of India, that is density of population and factors determining density of population. Now let us first understand what is the meaning of density of population. Friends, the term density of population means the average number of persons or people living per square kilometer. I repeat once again, the term density of population means the average number of persons or people living per square kilometer. The figure of density of population is obtained by dividing the total population by total land area. That is, the density of population equals total population total land area. Therefore, the density of population is also known or called as the land-man ratio. The average density of population in India is increasing over the years due to rapid growth of population. This can be seen in the following table. For instance, in the year 1921, the density of population per square kilometer was just 81. In 1951, it was 117 person per square kilometer. In 1981, it was 216 person per square kilometer. In 1991, it was 267 person per square kilometer. In 2001, it was 324 person per square kilometer. In 2011, 382 person per square kilometer. After knowing the meaning and the growth of density of population in India, now let us move towards the trends in density of population among selected states and country. For instance, the density of population may not be uniform but vary from state to state and even country to country. This can be seen in the following table of selected states and country. For instance, Arunachal Pradesh has lowest density, that is 117 person per square kilometer, that is lowest among states, and Delhi has highest density of population, that is 1129 person per square kilometer, that is highest among states. If you look at the country as such, Australia has lowest density, that is just 3 person per square kilometer, lowest among country, and Singapore has the highest density among country, that is 7,000 to 7,024 person per square kilometer. After looking these particular trends, now let us try to remember some important points pertaining to density of population. Points to remember. First one, the density of population not uniform but varies from state to state and country to country. Number two, density of population simply indicates land-man ratio. It simply tells what is the pressure of population on particular land area. Then third one, there is no relationship between density of population and degree of economic development. That is, the countries having lowest density of population have achieved high degree of economic development, and countries having high density of population achieved low degree of economic development. That means there is no relation between the density of population and degree of economic development. Now after knowing this, now let us move towards What are the factors determining density of population? Friends, as we already seen, density is not uniform but varies from place to place. Then question arises, why density is different in different places? For that, there are number of factors are responsible, and we call as factors determining density of population. Now let us go and discuss one by one what are those factors determining density of population. That is factors determining density of population. The density of population varies from state to state and even country to country. The variation in density of population caused by a number of factors. Some of them are: number 1, climate. The density of population generally determined by climatic condition. Favorable climate have more people and high density, and unfavorable climate have less people and low density. That is, climatic condition is one of the factor which determines density of population. The second factor which determines density of population is the place of adequate sufficient rainfall have high density, and place of inadequate uncertain rainfall have low density. That is, rainfall is also another factor which determines density of population. The third factor is irrigation facility. The place of adequate irrigation facility have more density, and place of inadequate irrigation facility have low density. Next point is fertility of soil or land. The more fertile soil or land have high density, and infertile land have low density. Next one is topography or surface feature of land. The plain surface land have more density, and forest and mountain land have low density. For instance, plain surface which are suitable for agricultural and industrial activities, naturally people living more and density is also high, and in mountain and hilly areas people living less because those areas are not suitable for agricultural activities or any other activities. Next point is availability of natural resources. The place of abundant natural resources have high density, and place of shortage of natural resources have low density. The next one is growth of industry and commerce. The density is high where industry and commerce is well developed, and density is low where industry and commerce is not well developed. For instance, the metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata having high density because of the growth of industries and commerce. In certain places, there was no development in industry and commerce where the people living is less and density is also less. Then last one is security for life and property of people. The density is high where there is a security for life and property of people, and density is low where there is no security for life and property of people. For instance, if you take the example, the border area of our country, Jammu and Kashmir, where the people are always living under apprehension or threat or fear due to border dispute or sometimes a terrorist menace and all that, people prefer to take migration from that place to safer places because there is no security for life and property of people. Naturally, the people is living in such areas are low and density is low. Thus, the density of population is determined by number of factors. After knowing the meaning, the trends and the factors determining density of population, now friends, let us try to understand and note from the point of the examination, that is meaning of density of population, that is objective type question, and the factors determining density of population for 5 marks short type essay type question. Important, you have to be note this particular meaning of density of population and factors determining density of population. With this, I conclude today's video lecture, and we shall take another demographic feature or issue in the next class. Thank you.